This is a brand new 2015 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a heated driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, rear curtain airbags, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a bed liner, an anti-lock braking system, a security system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Bill Hood Ford Lincoln is located at 1500 North Morrison in Hammond. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.